If you're waiting for rates to drop before you make your move in real estate, you might be waiting yourself out of the best opportunity of the decade. I'm William T. Stevens, Phoenix-based real estate investor, entrepreneur, and content creator. I own 8 doors. I left my 9-to-5, and I study this market every single day. Today I'm breaking down 4 things happening right now in real estate, and exactly what smart investors are doing about it. Let's start with rates. The 30-year fixed is sitting at 6.589%. That number has buyers frozen. Sellers are pulling listings off the market, and most people are just waiting. But here's what I know from operating in the Phoenix market. Waiting is a strategy too, just not the one most people think it is. When buyers hesitate, inventory builds. When inventory builds, prices soften. When prices soften, concessions go up. Right now in Phoenix, the average list price is $359 per square foot, and sellers are still offering concessions. That is not a seller's market. That is a negotiating opportunity. The investors who understand market cycles aren't panicking right now. They're quietly positioning. The question isn't whether rates are high. The question is, are you ready when the window opens? Now, let's talk about something most investors are sleeping on. Congress just passed a bipartisan affordable housing bill. The government officially admitted the supply problem is real. Phoenix investors knew this 3 years ago. We've watched people flood into this city. Migration, jobs, capital, all moving here, and supply couldn't keep up. Now, federal policy is trying to catch up to what the market already told us. Policy creates opportunity if you're paying attention. Affordable housing isn't just a social issue, it's an asset class, and the investors building it right now are getting paid to solve the problem. Now here's the part most real estate investors ignore. AI is rewriting how this industry operates. Agents are using AI to write listing descriptions in minutes. Matterport technology is virtually staging homes for buyers. Zillow is rolling out transparency tools for neighborhoods and commutes. The barrier to entry just dropped dramatically. You can now underwrite deals faster, market properties better, and close, with less friction than ever before. The agent or investor who ignores technology loses the deal to the one who doesn't. I use AI in my business every day. Content creation, property listings, lead generation, market research. It's not replacing me, it's multiplying me. And then there's the bigger commercial play. Data centers. While office buildings sit empty, data centers are exploding. AI needs power. Power needs real estate. The biggest returns next decade won't come from single-family homes. They'll come from infrastructure. Let me bring this home. Phoenix is still one of the top migration markets in the country. People are moving here. Jobs are moving here. Money is moving here. Yes, rates are elevated. Yes, days on market are climbing. Yes, sellers are cutting prices and offering concessions, but rents are holding. That's why I invest for cash flow, not appreciation. Appreciation is a bonus. Cash flow is the business. The investors complaining about the market aren't investing. The investors investing aren't complaining. Which one are you? Here's your summary. Rates are high but stable. Use that to negotiate. Supply is being addressed. Policy creates opportunity. AI is lowering your operating costs. Use it. Phoenix fundamentals are still strong. Stay the course. If this video gave you value, hit that like button right now. Subscribe if you're serious about building wealth through real estate. Drop a comment and tell me what market you're investing in or what's stopping you from your next deal. I'm William, entrepreneur, investor, blogger. See you in the next one.